Hello and welcome to Learn English with Chi Chi. This is a place where you can learn English slowly and naturally. This is a place where you can feel calm. Please relax your mind, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. In a quiet town, there is a small house. In a quiet town, there is a small house. The house is old. The house is simple. The house is very quiet. A mother lives in this house. A mother lives in this house. Her name is Anna. Her name is Anna. She lives alone. She lives alone. Every morning she wakes up slowly. Every morning she wakes up slowly. She opens her eyes. She looks around her room. The room is quiet. The room is silent. She sits up slowly. She takes a deep breath. She walks to the kitchen. She makes a cup of tea. The tea is warm. The tea smells nice. She holds the cup. She feels the warmth. She sits near the window. She looks outside. The street is empty. The world is quiet. She remembers the past. She remembers her child. Her child is not here now. Her child lives far away. She understands, but she feels lonely. Every day feels the same. Every day is quiet. She cleans the house. She moves slowly. She touches old photos. She looks at them. She smiles softly, but her eyes are a little sad. In the afternoon, the light changes. The room becomes warm. She sits in her chair. She watches the light. Time moves slowly. Everything feels still. In the evening, she makes dinner. She eats alone. There is no conversation. There is only silence. After dinner, she washes the dishes. She puts everything away. She goes back to the window. She looks outside again. The sky is dark. Lights shine in other houses. She sees families. She sees people talking. She sees happiness. She feels quiet again. Days pass, weeks pass. Nothing changes. Everything is the same. One day, something happens. The phone rings. The sound is sudden. The sound is loud. She is surprised. She walks quickly. She answers the phone. It is her child. It is her child. Her face becomes bright. Her eyes shine. She listens carefully. She smiles. Her heart feels warm. Her heart feels full. After the call, she sits quietly. But something is different. The room feels softer. The silence feels gentle. She understands something. Love is still there. Love does not disappear. Love stays in the heart. Even when we are far, love remains. Even in silence, love is still there. She takes a deep breath. She closes her eyes. She smiles gently. She feels peace. The house is still quiet, but it is not empty. In this quiet place there is love. In this quiet place there is memory. In this quiet place there is peace. And sometimes that is enough. That is enough. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. This story is about love and loneliness. Even when we are alone, we are not truly alone. Love stays with us. Love stays in our hearts. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. See you in the next lesson. Have a warm and peaceful day.